Kamusta mga ka-best? This is Chris, your KUYA PANDISOY, and welcome to my channel. Today, ibabahagi ko sa inyo ang very famous Pinoy Spanish Bread na pwede mo ihanda sa iyong pamilya at pwede mo rin pagkakitaan. Kaya tutok na! At kung bago ka sa channel ko, please subscribe and click the bell button for the notifications of the upcoming videos. Ang ibabahagi ko po sa inyo ngayon ay ang famous Pinoy Spanish Bread. Pinoy ako, Pinoy tayo. Stay tuned po para sa ating actual procedure and para sa full list of ingredients, you can check on the description box below. Alright! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7! Ito na mga kumpletong sangkap na ating gagamitin para sa ating Pinoy Spanish Bread. Una, ang ating gagamitin nating bread flour. And we also have our sugar and our salt. At meron din tayong yeast, instant yeast. And then meron din tayong margarine. You could also replace this one with lard. And I also have milk. But this one, you could also use plain water only. Yan. This is evaporated milk. Natira lang sa aking ano. And then we also have egg. And then we also have the vanilla extra. Yan. Okay, ito po yung ating para sa ating dough. And then para naman sa ating filling, para sa ating palaman sa ating Spanish bread ay kailangan natin ng plain flour, kailangan natin ng margarine and sugar. Ayan. Okay, yan po ang mga kumpletong sakap na ating gagamitin para sa ating Pinoy Spanish bread. And stay tuned para sa ating actual procedure. Alrighty. Para sa ating filling ay ang ating margarine. Okay. Kailangan lang nating i-mix ang ating margarine. Like that. And then i-add natin ating sugar. And then we slowly add our plain flour. Ay, lagyan ko lang ng plastic gloves. Gamit naman ng plastic gloves. And then slowly push it in like that. Okay, yan ang ating filling. Yan. Okay, set aside lang natin. Para sa ating dough, lagyan natin ng ating bread flour. Okay. Yung ating instant yeast. Alright. Okay. Haluin lang. And then again, kailangan lang malinis ang inyong kamay bago gawin ito. Bago gawin ang inyong dough kasi magmasang kamay po tayo mamaya-maya. Again. Yan, lagi ko yung pinapaalala para sa aking baking. Especially sa ating tinapay. And then, I will add on water. Pero, mayroon kasi nga akong natira na milk. So, ayan. I-add ko lang yung ating milk. But, nevertheless, pwede kayong gumamit ng tubig lang. Plain water will do. And then we just add on our sugar. Yan. Sugar. And then, i-add natin ang ating salt. Alright. And then, we just put in our vanilla. Alright. And then, we just add in our egg. Okay. And then, just mix it. Kailangan lang ma-dissolve yung sugar at saka salt bago natin ihalo yung ating bread flour sa gilid. Okay? Then slowly add the bread flour. Right. And then i-add natin ang ating margarine. Okay? You can also use lard. Yan, pwede nyo gamitin. Okay? And this time, kailangan na natin magmasang kamay. Okay, ilipat ko sa aking dough mat. I-dust in para wag dumikit ng ating dough. Okay, then ilipat natin ating dough. Alright. Yan po ang ating dough. Yan, hindi na sila naghiwalay-hiwalay. Yan ang ating dough. And then, yung ating baking pan ay kailangan nyo lang i-grease. Yan. Grease nyo lang yung baking pan. Okay, i-grease nyo lang ng butter, oil, margarine, or anything. Okay. And then, we just do the cutting. Yan, kakat na natin. Ito yung ating breadcrumbs. Just like that. Fillings like that, and then just roll it on a river. Yeah, look at that. And then just roll it like that. Okay, and then put it at the breadcrumbs, babad sa breadcrumbs. Alright, yan ang ating nagawa na Spanish bread. Ilagay na lang natin sa ating baking pan. And then, yan, we'll just let it rest for about 1 hour and 30 minutes. Okay, look at that. Yes, looks yummy. Yan, kailangan lang niyang umalsa ng 1 hour and 30 minutes. Okay, and then i-cover lang natin siya ng any plastic or clean cloth. Okay, right. See you after 1 hour and 30 minutes. Right, let's check. It's very soft. And then sobrang bango. Yan. Okay. Wow. And look at that. Our freshly baked Pinoy Spanish bread. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I hope you get something and learn something out from this video guide. And then, okay, I'll see you again next time in the next video. And for those of you who are just new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and click the bell button para ma-notify po kayo para sa mga bagong updates at sa mga bagong videos na ipopost pa namin sa channel na ito. Thank you so much and see you again next time. Always believe na unique ka dahil the best in the world ka.